Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making an inclined ice-dyed burst shirt. The shirt has been washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out of my Panda spin dryer so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. To begin, I'm going to smooth the shirt out so that the sleeves will lay flat. Then take one of the lower corners of the bottom of the shirt and fold it up past the top or the shoulder of the opposite side. So I'm going to do a diagonal fold across the shirt. It's going to be an uneven fold, so the shirt is not going to be symmetrical. On the armpit of the shirt that is folded, using a washable marker and a piece of kite string, I'm going to begin an arc on that seam. Then I'm going to fan fold this line. Once I'm finished fan folding, I'm going to tie it up with some kite string. I want to hold the folds in place, but I don't really want the definite lines that sinew gives, so I'm just going to use kite string for this. I'm going to fan fold the rest of the shirt and tie it with kite string too. Since this is a long sleeve shirt, when I get down toward the sleeve area, I'm going to fan fold them and then fold them down and back into the rest of the shirt. I'm going to incline ice dye this shirt, so I've taken a piece of vinyl guttering and laid it flat on my table. I'm beginning with blueberry from Dharma Trading Company, and I'm going to make about a 1-inch line of the blueberry right on the line that I initially fan folded. Then periodically down the shirt, I'm going to add lines that are about 1 inch wide as well. Right on the very end or in the armpit area of this shirt, I'm going to add Robin's Egg Blue from Dharma Trading Company. Then I'm going to add that to every other one of the sections. After I apply the colors, I'm going to take the back of my spoon and kind of press the dye down into the shirt. The remaining sections, I'm going to use Peacock Blue from Custom Colors. Now I'm going to add an additional sprinkle of soda ash over the top, just so that as the ice melts and runs through the shirt, I make sure I have plenty of soda ash left in the shirt to react with the dye. Now I'm going to load the ice on top. Then I'm going to put the piece of vinyl guttering down inside of a plastic tub. I'm only going to add one end of the guttering down into the tub, and the other end is going to hang over the edge. That's going to incline my shirt. Now I'm going to set the shirt aside and allow it to process for at least 24 to 48 hours. I came back after the first layer of ice had melted and checked it, and I had good color saturation to the back side, so I just left the shirt alone and let it continue to process. I think this one went closer to 48 hours. Then I took the shirt to my utility sink and began rinsing it in cold water. I rinse in cold water to get out the excess soda ash that is in my shirt. Then I gradually warm the water up to hot and continue rinsing. I use the hot water to get out all of the excess unreacted or unbonded dye. If I still have quite a bit of dye coming out of the shirt after rinsing for a little while, I will add the stopper to my sink, put just a little bit of the Dawn dish soap down inside the sink, and add some hot water. Then I'll soak the shirt, and I'll continue that process until the water is almost clear. Then I put the shirt in the washing machine along with a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent and washed it using hot water. After washing it and drying it, this is what our shirt looks like. I'm pretty happy with the way this shirt turned out. The robin's egg blue in the armpit area is a little bit of a light color, so it shows up really well in that area, but it pretty much got eaten up by the rest of the colors in the body of the shirt. I do like the color splits though that came out of the blueberry. That's kind of that purpley pink blue color that you see in the shirt. And the robin's egg blue does add some of those light areas in the shirt, which I think give it some interest. So hey, if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, I sure would appreciate it if you would hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.